Good afternoon, precious friends and family. Archangel Gabriel is here with us, and he says, you're going to receive a gift of passion, opportunity, and inspiration. It's the end of mourning the past. Take a turn and deal with the things you have in front of you. You are strong enough to overcome the obstacles that are coming your way. Archangel Metron says, take a leap of faith, put your trust and faith in your angels, believe in yourself, listen to your heart, and do what gives you joy. Nurture yourself and those that you love. And you are already receiving clarity on the path you want to take for your future. The next card is from Archangel Jophiel, and it is the Star card, and it's telling us a dream is coming true. Believe in yourself that it is an end of a difficult situation. You're receiving lots of love and loyalty and things like that from your angels within your relationships, and they're helping you and guiding you from within. Listen to your inner voice. Have a lovely day, everybody. Love you all.